Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. So Amazon Prime Day came and went, and I went on a little bit of a shopping spree. I was posting about my purchases on my Instagram story, and a lot of you requested this kind of video, basically like an unboxing slash haul of everything I purchased. I will say, yes, this haul is out of control. It's a lot of things and a lot of money, but I had been saving up a lot of my Amazon gift cards for Prime Day, so I got everything I wanted. I have a little bit of everything, so I can't wait to show you everything I got. I'll link everything down below, but of course the sales are gone by now. Hopefully we'll get another Prime Day soon because it was amazing. But you can check out my Amazon shop for more Amazon recommendations, and follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with me daily. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, I got a bunch of random stuff, so let me just start off with things I have on me right now. So I picked up this cute little ring. I was expecting jewelry to be like more discounted. It was like about $3 discounted, which is pretty good. I got it for like $8. It's so cute. I'm like obsessed with like smiley faces right now. And then I got this hat for I think $9.99. It comes in different colors. I think it's like a dupe for like Justin Bieber's brand, but I just love the little smiley face. It makes my head look very square, but it's so cute. I love it. So I'm definitely gonna wear this weekend to the pool. I'm sure you're wondering, Philo, what the heck is going on with your nails? And let me explain. I've been into this like funky little nail art, and I don't know why I have this like idea in my head that I can do it myself when I clearly can't. So on Prime Day, I picked up some gel nail polish. I got this pastel kit by my favorite gel polish brand, Beetles. This is what it looks like. And I did this yesterday, and honestly it doesn't look too bad. My nails are pretty overgrown, so that's why like I was like, I don't care. But I almost wish I would have gone for like a neon pack instead of this like light pastel. It's still cute, it still works, but I like my colors to be a little more dramatic, and these are more like jelly like. So I got that for like $8. I told you guys this was gonna be on sale, and it was, so I picked up a new one. This is the Grande Lash Serum to make your lashes grow. I swear by this. I've tried different ones, and this one is by far my favorite. It usually retails for $65. I got it on Prime Day for $45. I already started to use it, and I can already see a difference. I am wearing fake lashes like in my outer corner just for some volume, but I'm excited to see the results. It usually takes about 3 months, and this is a 3-month supply. I've been so excited to tell you guys about this. I picked it up. It was actually on sale on Prime Day. I think it retails for $25. I got it for $17. This is the Hyper Chiller. It was a bestseller from a TikTok compilation last month, and I told y'all I was gonna try it. Someone in the comments said they bought it, they updated it, they really like it. I have yet to use it, but once I do, I'll definitely update you guys in a Find 10 favorites. Another jewelry item that I got was this bracelet. It just says love. I actually own this. This is like a total like inspired by Christian Dior's like embroidered bracelets. I have one that's beige, so I wanted to get a cute little pink one. This one was also on sale for about $4. I have yet to put this together, but I did tell y'all that I got a new like toothbrush dispenser. I'll put a picture of what it looks like, and I'll actually assemble it so y'all can see it. But basically I just wanted a sleeker look, and this one is definitely like a little better, more modern looking. The other one I always refer to like as a hospital vibe because of the coloring, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that one and move it to the guest bedroom that way, or the guest bathroom that way. When we have guests, they can use it. This one retails for like $25, and I got it for $14. My husband actually ordered these, and he's been wearing the black ones. They're probably in his car, but they are this 2-pack of sunglasses for like $9. They're nice, and I love how they're like a bigger like just frame. I love these for when I'm just not feeling like talking to anyone, especially like for travel and stuff. But they're definitely unisex. Like I said, he's been wearing them a ton, and they're actually pretty cute. Then I picked up 2 big things. The first thing is this ice machine. Y'all, I've been wanting this for so long. Something about like Chick-fil-A, Sonic, that like crunchy nugget ice is just so good in coffees, Diet Cokes, like everything. So I've been wanting it for a while. We eloped, so we didn't have like a wedding register or anything like that, and on Prime Day it was $100 off. It is an insane amount of money for an appliance that's not necessary, but when I saw that it was on sale, I immediately went to get it, and I love it. It got here the next day, and I've been using it non-stop to make literally every drink in my house. I love it. And then the other thing, it's actually like my husband's thing. He wanted a little, well, it's actually pretty big, a greenhouse for his plants, because we've been having some issues with like birds and squirrels messing with his bonsais, and he assembled it yesterday. It's so cool. It looks so cute, and it's actually very spacious. That one was on sale for about 70 bucks, and it's actually really great if you're looking for something like that. Another thing that I told you wasn't going to be on sale, it's on sale every year, and I pick it up every year, is the Crest 3D whitening strips. These last me a long time. I like these because they come with the 30 minutes and the 1 hour strips, and they work so well. Like, I get questions all the time, how do I keep my teeth so white? I don't think they look that white right now, but how do I keep them so white when I drink so much coffee? And this is my secret, like 100%. It is super pricey when it's not on sale. It's like $50 for this pack, but I got it for $23. I just checked the analytics today, and I'm so excited to the bestsellers video for all the Prime Day purchases. And this was actually probably top 5. I don't want to say exactly the number, but I found this 96 pack of these fungus gnat traps for $14, which is such a good deal. These work so well. I already ran through the first pack that I bought, and y'all have purchased so many of those, so I decided to pick up a bigger pack, and this one is way better value. I think without the sale it's like $17, but it's still better value because you get almost 100, and very excited to use these again because I don't know, y'all, the fungus gnats and the flies and just like pests right now, because it's summer and it's hot and humid in Houston, these really catch everything. Speaking of game changers, if you missed out on my best of Amazon organization, definitely watch that. But I found this pack of 26 drawer organizers for only, wait, it was maybe 12 for $26, something like that. So it came with a ton of different ones. I'm currently using a lot of them for the baby's like clothes, so I'll show you guys a little clip. But such a good deal. I purchased them before for like $12 for 4. This time I got 12 for 26, so it was a much better deal, and it's still like on sale kind of. It's like discounted sort of. So another Amazon bestseller is this little thing. So this is a mosquito. Can you tell I have issues with like flies and bugs and mosquitoes and things like that? This is a mosquito light. We have one right by the door where I let the dogs out into our backyard, and honestly, y'all, we've been just having so many issues that I really wanted one for our bedroom, so I picked it up. It was on sale and very discounted, and I swear by these. I like how they look modern. They don't make like that sapping noise. I mean, I can go on and on. I've already have. They're a total game changer, so I'm glad to have another one now. A lot of pet stuff was on sale. Recently I took my dog to the vet, and they recommended a multivitamin, so I picked up this one. It had great reviews. It is by Zesty Paws, and it's an 8-in-1 bites multifunctional like vitamins, and they're chicken flavored. I like these because I have pretty small dogs, and one of them has no teeth, so these are nice and soft. You can easily break them up, and they were super discounted. So I'll definitely, like, I don't want to recommend these because I feel like you should talk to your vet about like anything you give to your dogs. But if your vet recommended something like this, this one has great reviews, and I'll update you guys eventually, maybe in a best of Amazon for pets. These I showed in that same organization video. These are some drawer dividers that are adjustable. I got a 4-pack on sale on Prime Day, and these are really great because they have this gripping right here, and then you can adjust them depending on the size of your drawer, which is fun. So I've been using these once again for the baby's nursery, just to organize a dresser. But you can get these very discounted usually. Like, they go on sale like every so often. Okay, I didn't want to gonna make this whole video about baby stuff, but obviously I am 8 months pregnant. I'm literally about to have a baby at any moment now, so I wanted to pick up a lot of things on Prime Day. So if you're not interested, I totally understand, but I got a ton of baby things. So let me show you. I got this little sign for the nursery. The colors match perfectly with the nursery, and this was actually considered a small business, so I got a $10 credit, so I got it super discounted, and it's so cute. I already have the alphabet of this, which is fun. I got the famous Haga silicone breast pump. We'll see how that goes. I'll keep you updated. I got some bottles. I got these Nano Bebe bottles. They're silicone. I have a ton of different bottles, and we'll see which one she takes best, but I wanted to pick up these because they were on sale. Everyone raves about Kite Baby clothes, so I decided to pick up one onesie. They were on sale for I think $21 or something, so I got this in 6 to 12 months, and this color is so pretty. It's like an oatmeal gray, and it has little footsies. How cute. Very, very soft. I also got the matching hats. It came with a 3-pack, and I did get those in newborn. It's probably one of the hats we'll take to the hospital. I got the Halo sleep sack swaddle, also on sale, and this one is a 3 to 6 months small, and this one you can cover their arms or not, and it had great reviews, so I picked it up. I got this little car seat cover. It was super discounted. It was like $7. It's nice and soft, so I thought just in case we would get it just to have, and it's nice and neutral. Like I said, very, very soft. Then I got this. This is kind of like a what I'm calling a Docatot dupe. It's basically a lounger. I will not be using this for any sort of sleep, but the Docatot is so freaking expensive. I cannot justify it. Sometimes I think like baby brands just really like make you spend more money than you should. So I decided to pick this one up. It was on sale for $35 on Prime Day, and this is what it looks like. Basically, if we're like chilling on the couch, if she's playing with like a little toy, if I just need to set her down without her like rolling over too much, I thought this would be good. But yeah, I mean, definitely do not recommend this for sleep, but it's nice and soft. It feels really good, very nice and cushiony. You do not need to spend $150 on something similar when Amazon has cheaper options. This is probably the funniest thing I will show on my channel, but as y'all know, I have dogs, and they like to bark when there's people outside our door, especially when someone rings at the doorbell. So I decided to get this for the first few months when the baby comes. It just says like, delivery drivers, please don't knock or ring the doorbell. Also like no soliciting, because we get the most annoying people like wanting to sell us all kinds of crap. And it says the dog will bark and the baby will cry. So I got this to put in the front door. This was like $7. These actually weren't on sale, but I still picked them up. These are the organic raspberry leaf tea bags. It comes with 20, and these are supposed to make your labor easier. Some people say they make them go into labor sooner. We'll see. I've been drinking them since I was 32 weeks, so we'll see if that actually works. I am filming a pregnancy favorite soon. I got some compression socks. Honestly, all these have helped tremendously for the past few weeks, especially with like cramping and Charlie horses like cramping. So I got these came in a 3-pack. I don't know how necessary this is, but this is the OXO Tot Perfect Pool Wipe Dispenser. I don't know, it was on sale for $14.99. It's usually $20, so I picked it up. Then I got these cameras. These are the Blink mini cameras. I got the 2-pack for $39, and they retail for $64. Got this like as an early Prime Day deal. I don't know, a lot of you have me like terrified now, because like y'all have been saying to like not get cheap security cameras, that people could like easily hack them or watch you. So I don't really know what to do. We don't have like any like online security systems. I'm pretty confident with our security system, but I just wanted these just to have, you know, like people like film funny moments with their babies and their dogs, and just like so we could just have everything. So that's why I wanted it, but I don't know if I should even keep them anymore. Let me know if you have any experience when it comes to these. These are pretty new, but I was kind of excited to try them out. So guys, that is everything we picked up on Prime Day. Yes, it is very excessive, but keep in mind, I do like get these gift cards, so very little cost of this haul was out of pocket, which I am so thankful for. Let me know what you picked up during Prime Day. I know a lot of you, we were chatting on Instagram DMs about it. A lot of you actually picked up the robot vacuum that I own, so I can't wait to hear what you guys think of it. Definitely let me know if you picked up anything, any of my recommendations. I would love to know. I'm very excited to that bestsellers video though, because I feel like there's so many fun things that y'all picked up. So let me know anything you want me to film, to review in the comments from this video, since this was more of like an unboxing. And yeah, I'm so excited for July content. I have so many things planned for this channel, so many Amazon videos, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you guys for being here, for watching, for supporting my channel, for purchasing of my links, for watching my videos. It really means so much to me. Hopefully you got what you wanted out of Prime Day, and hopefully we'll have another fun sale like that soon, Amazon. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.